908, that's the perimeter. On the east side, I'm the calm storm. Guess I'm something like a limiter. Yeah, I'm something like a limiter. She too much, I got a limiter. While me and bro in the back, yeah, sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. I'm the truth, let me show the proof. Looking super clean, no janitor. Super clean, no.
What's going on, YouTube? It's Stevie D with GSG Reviews, and I'm back again with another banger. Let's first shout out my Alpha Generals, Alpha Generalettes, Alpha Male, and Alpha Females in the building. You heard today's video is collaborated by Helloice. Yeah, I said it. Helloice, you know what I mean? Comment, like, subscribe, promote if you can, you know what I mean? But before anything runs out, run over to Helloice right now and get your buy one, get one on. They're giving away gifts and they're giving you buy one, get one free. So without further ado, let's get to the video. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D, and without going any further into this thing, man, and without talking too much, like I said in the intro, what I got here for y'all right now is another banger by Helloice. So before we continue to keep talking, let's get right to the video. You feel me? Helloice got their own custom boxes. You know what I mean? That's a good touch, man. I tell you, I like branding. I love when companies have their branding. It speaks to me. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I don't know. Y'all tell me what y'all think about their shielded, you know what I mean, emblem representing Helloice, man. It's a nice touch. It speaks to how serious they take their branding. You know what I mean? Boom. Let's put this box to the side 2 seconds. You feel me? You heard, you know what I mean? As you see, they got a nice, simple box. Nothing too complicated, you know what I mean? But like I say, sometimes less is more. And you see the emblem with the Helloice emblem in the front, with that good old shield emblem in the front. Y'all tell me what y'all think about their logo, man. Is it dope? Do y'all like it? I like it. It speaks to how serious, you know what I mean, they take this stuff. So, you know what I mean? We already see the box. It's pretty simple. You know what I mean? Pop top box. But see what's inside the box. Comes with a nice dust pouch. Helloice dust pouch. We appreciate this, man, because it comes with the price and it helps you carry your stuff around and protect your peace. You know what I mean? Can't be too mad at that, man. Nice little dust pouch, suede, satin. Who knows what it is, but it's a good touch with that logo everywhere. You feel me? You heard. You know what I mean? Let's open it up and bam. What I got here for y'all right now is a Franco piece. And y'all see this thing is looking shiny and chunky. And y'all know what I feel about plastic. Y'all already know plastic beater, plastic beater. Plastic always gonna be the ops, my dude. You know what I mean? My G. Y'all feel me? But this is not too bad, man. We can't complain because in this kind of plastic, it's not hard to get out at all. It's not wrapped around a piece, but we all know, essentially, like I always say, the plastic essentially is for the protection of the piece itself. Let's throw that plastic to the side. Let's throw that dust pouch to the side. Let's throw the box to the side. You know what I mean? For 2 seconds. You feel me? You heard. Let's get to the piece. What I got here for y'all right now is a nice Franco. You feel me? This thing is serious. This thing is white gold plated and it's looking mean and aggressive. You know what I mean? I own a couple of Francos. I even got it in gold. And I must say, I thought gold Francos were my favorite. But Helloice has just convinced me otherwise. I think this white gold still look, you know what I mean, shiny on first look. You know what I mean? Got me convinced that this is about to be my new favorite. You know what I mean? If you stay to the end of the video, I will put it on for you to see how it looks. You feel me? Boom. You see that class, G's? Look at that, man. To all my Alpha Generals and Generalettes, I've never seen this before, at least to me in the years I've lived. Look at this class. You know what I mean? Let's look at the class 2 seconds. They got a nice ejection button. Hold on. Boom. I was holding it wrong. So, look at this, man. Look at this. Look at their class. This speaks to it being very different. And I don't know. Y'all let me know if y'all think this is very secure. You snapping in. Very simple. That ain't coming off your neck. That ain't coming off your neck. That ain't coming off your neck. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I like when the clasps are different. I like when the clasp makes you feel very secure. It feels like if someone tries to snatch this off your neck, they're gonna have to take your head with them. You feel me? So let's talk about the piece a little bit. This piece right here is 8mm in width. You know what I mean? It's nice. You know what I mean? At first I was confused. At first look, you know what I mean? It could look like a 7 or a 10, but this is 8mm. And the length on this thing right here, this beast right here, it looks very aggressive. This feels very heavy. You know what I mean? Feels like quality. I can't complain at all. This is 8mm and 24 inches. You feel me? 8mm and 24 inches in length. 8mm in width, 24 inches in length, man. This thing feels like a beast. It's very heavy, so it feels like quality. It does not feel cheap at all. This is 18 karat white gold plated. You know what I mean? Now I know what y'all want to know, man. Hey, yo, Stevie D, man, how much is that thing? That thing looks crazy. This 8mm beast right here, 24 inches, hits you for a whopping $69.99, so roughly $70. But I must add that Helloice is running a sale. The original price on this is $119. And to my personal opinion, that's not too expensive for a beast like this, but it's on sale right now for $69.99, roughly $70. You know what I mean? That's not a bad price for this thing, man. It does feel like quality. You know what I mean? No cap, it feels heavy. So be careful out in these streets. You know what I mean? So $70, originally $119. Not bad. They also use the app. Helloice also use the app. Klarna, where you can make one payment. After your first initial payment, they break up your payments into 4 different payments. After a first initial payment, you know what I mean? Off your product goes. You heard. You know what I mean? But if you go to Helloice right now, they got a buy one, get one going on. They're celebrating their anniversary, excuse me, you know what I mean? On mostly all of their products, they got a buy one, get one. And I think they're giving away hoop earrings and they're giving away some other stuff, some other chains, you know what I mean? So you might want to hurry up, run over to Helloice before this beast sells out. Because with that buy one, get one, you know how people get. All of their quality products goes out for sale, you know what I mean? So go ahead up Helloice, man. You could get yourself a beast like this. 24 inches, 8mm in width, you know what I mean? $120, but on sale right now for $69.99, roughly $70. Take a look at it. Let's look at the clasp real quick one more time. You already seen it. Boom, you hit this button and it comes right out. But when you click it back in, boom, very secure. This is not coming off your neck like I said, man. Y'all go check out Helloice, man. They got good quality products, as you can see right here. You know what I mean? And they got a buy one, get one free going on right now using code free. You know what I mean? Using code free, which will be down in the link in the description. They got a buy one, get one free. They're celebrating their anniversary. So go hurry up and run over to Helloice, man. They got some good products, man. I like this thing. Y'all stay to the end. Y'all will see how it looks on me. You know what I mean? Not so much more to say about this thing, man. 1, 2, 3, I'm out. So what I got here for y'all right now is Helloice's 24 inches 8mm Franco chain on the neck. 1, 2, 3. I'm officially